Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming coverage and hardware compatibility. This saves wasted steps later. Insert your Globe SIM, then reboot the phone to force a fresh network scan. Once done, open Settings, enable mobile data and 5G connections. Make sure your APN is set to Globe's default profile. If prompted, accept carrier settings updates. Register or sign into the Globe One app so network provisioning can detect your plan, and apply 5G access immediately. You now focus on precise configuration. Open mobile network access point names and verify the APN matches Globe's current profile, then save and select it. Next, choose preferred network mode to include 5G with fallback to 4G. This ensures coverage continuity. Once configured, toggle airplane mode briefly to force reconnection, then check the status bar for a 5G indicator. If your phone still doesn't attach, run a carrier settings refresh via Globe One or a quick reboot before deeper trouble. You finish by validating performance and preparing fixes. Run a speed test near a window or outdoors to measure latency and throughput, then move to other spots to map coverage. If 5G remains absent, confirm your plan and SIM tier include 5G. Write down your MA and contact Globe support for provisioning checks. Once done, swap your SIM into a known compatible handset to isolate device problems, and make sure firmware and carrier settings are current before escalating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.